Hello friend, this is Haider Lashari. Welcome back on our YouTube channel. My motive is to convey the information to you guys and that I am explaining in this video. I request to new visitor on our YouTube channel that please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press bell icon so that you can get notification of every new upcoming video, and please like our video and also comment on it. Please try to watch complete video and wait for our next upcoming video. If you need any kind of information or any kind of help regarding business of animal, contact with us by comment. Guys, please subscribe our YouTube channel, Double A Cattle Farm Sanghar. Please like our video and share with your friends. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.